Siyabonga. Arise, women, and take your position.
Phakama mama uthathe isikhundla sakho.
Abaholi baphela kwaIsrael.
Leaders seized in Israel.
Banqamuka.
They seized
Ngaze ngavuka mina Deborah.
until I arose as Deborah.
Ngavuka ngingunina kaIsrael.
I arose a mother of Israel.
Siyambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi kule weekend
We thank the Lord that over this weekend,
uzovusa oDeborah bensuku zogcina.
He is going to raise the Deborahs of the last time.
Abantu
Of the
besifazane
women
abazothatha indawo yabo.
who will take their positions.
Ngoba ngeke uSathana ayithathe indawo yakhe.
Because the devil will not take his positions
Singayithathanga indawo yethu.
unless we as women take our position.
Kule weekend uNkulunkulu uzovusa abantu besifazane
And this weekend, the Lord is raising women
abazoba ngonkunzi kayihlehli.
who will stand and be stubborn and not turn back.
Izinto ezithi forward ever and backward never.
Abathi phambili siyaya emuva sigudluki.
Izinto ezizofaka uSathana enkingeni.
People who will put the devil in trouble.
Umuntu wesifazane ozothi umevuka ekseni
A woman who will say as she wakes up in the morning
uSathana
and
tatazele.
the devil will tremble.
Ngoba sikhuluma ngabantu besifazane
Because we are talking about women
abawaziyo amandla abo.
who know their power.
La sifunda khona
Where we just read,
kwakunzima ngendlela emangalisayo kwaIsrael.
it was very difficult in Israel.
Ngoba bekuthi uIsrael uma onile
Because when whenever Israel sinned before God,
uNkulunkulu bemnikela ezandleni zezitha.
the Lord will hand him over to his enemies.
Sona kulesi sikhathi kwakunzima.
And even at this time, it was very difficult.
uJabhini inkosi yaseKhanani
Jabini, the king of Canaan,
wayemcindezele uIsrael
was oppressing Israel.
for 20 years.
Iminyaka engamashumi amabili.
Akuyona into encane leyo.
That is not a small thing.
For 20 years
Iminyaka engamashumi amabili.
uIsrael ecindezelwe.
Israel being oppressed.
Wayengenayo umahluleli.
He had no savior.
Kodwa uNkulunkulu wavusa uDeborah,
But the Lord raised a judge, Deborah,
umuntu wesifazane.
a woman.
Leli gama elithi Deborah
This name, Deborah,
lisho inyosi.
means a bee.
Inyosi incane ngosize
A bee is small in size
futhi ibukeka ibuthakathaka.
and it looks very fragile.
Kodwa inyosi iyawazi amandla ayo.
But the bee knows its strength.
Uma ubona umuntu ebaleka,
To see a person
ebaleka into encane kangaka inyosi,
running away from such a small thing, a bee,
usuke engabaleki yona inyosi.
it's not because he's running away from the bee
Kodwa
itself,
usuke ebaleka into esenyosini.
but it's because he's afraid of what is in the bee.
It's not about you.
Akukhona akungawe,
It's about him in you.
kodwa kungaye okuwena.
Lalela muntu wesifazane.
Listen to me, woman.
La kuwe
In you,
kukhona amandla amangalisayo.
there is tremendous power.
Kodwa kuyenzeka ungawazi lamandla.
But it happens that you don't know about this power.
Ufane nenkomo enkulu
It's like a big cow
enempondo ezinkulu.
which has got big horns.
Oyithola ibalekiswa yinje encane.
You'll find it being chased by a very small dog.
Ngoba lenkomo ayiwazi amandla ayo.
Because this cow doesn't know its power.
Uma kungafika umuntu ibaleka,
If somebody approaches whilst it runs away
athi uyawazi amandla akho ukuthi angakanani.
and ask it that, do you know how much power you have?
Ingaphenduka kube kanye inkomo.
It can turn just once.
Lenje encane ibaleke.
The small dog will run away.
Kaningi uSathane
In many occasions, the devil
ukuthatha uchance umuntu wesifazane.
takes chances on a woman
Ngoba wazi amandla akho.
because you don't know your power.
Ukuthi wenziwe wabukeka ubuthakathaka.
The fact that you are made to look delicate,
Akusho ukuthi into ekuwe ayisiyi ingozi.
it doesn't mean that what is in you is not dangerous.
La kuwe kukhona amandla.
In you there is power.
Ngithi la kuwe Deborah kukhona
I
amandla.
say in you, Deborah, there is power.
Arise, woman, and take take your position.
phakama nkosikazi uthatha indawo yakho.
Iyona le nyosi ekhipha udosi
This very bee that releases a sting,
etinyelayo
a sting that pinches,
ishintsha amagiya
it changes gears.
kuyo le nyosi eyingozi.
In this very bee that is dangerous,
Kubuye kuphume uju.
there is also a juice that comes out.
Honey, into edliwa abantu baphile.
Honey that is enjoyed by everybody and live.
Yingakho uma ufunda Proverbs 31 verse 26.
That is why when you read Proverbs 31 verse 6,
Uma khulunywa ngalo wesifazane
when it speaks about this woman,
kuthi uyawuvula umlomo wakhe
it
ngokuhlakanipha.
is said she opens her mouth with wisdom,
Nomthetho womusa usolimini lwakhe.
and the law of grace is in her mouth.
Ukhuluma kuphila abantu.
She speaks and people come to life.
Kodwa kusathane nasemadimonini
But when it comes to the devil and demons,
ukhipha udosi.
she releases a sting.
Hayi
You
angizwa.
don't understand.
Kodwa ukhuluma kuphila abantu.
When she speaks, people come to life.
Kodwa umekhipha udosi
But when she releases a sting,
isihogo singena enkingeni.
the hell goes into trouble.
Unamandla umuntu wesifazane.
Woman, you are powerful.
Ngithi la kuwe kukhona amandla.
I say in you there is strength.
La mandla onikezwe wona
The power given unto you,
ngawo ungakha,
through this power you can build
ngawo ungabhidliza,
and you can destroy with the same power.
ngawo ungaphilisa,
And with the same power you may bring people to life.
ngawo ungabulala.
You can also murder with the same power.
Kuya ngokuthi usesandleni sikabani.
It depends on whose hands you are.
Uma usesandleni sikaThixo
If you are in the hand of God,
ziyalunga izinto.
things come right.
Kodwa uma usesandleni sikaSathane
But if you are in the hands of the devil,
ziyonakala izinto.
things go wrong.
Hayi
You
angizwa.
don't understand.